Exercise 1.
Just start talking.
Welcome back to the Today Show. Today we're going to be talking about why MTSU is not the school for you. So many reasons. Like today, for example, I got kicked off a bus 3 times for no apparent reason. And, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Number 2. Exercise number 2. Today we're going to be talking about why MTSU may not be the place for your kids to go. We're not only talking about their terrible bus routes, but also the, I don't know, I don't want to crap on the teachers. Exercise 3. Exercise 3, speed. Yeah, I still don't know what to say, so I'm just going to count to 20 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Marianne! 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. Dude. Exercise number 4. Marianne! Marianne! Oh my God, Toto. She tried to hurt you, didn't she? Oh no. We gotta run far, far away. I'm running out of things to say. Flip the mic or something. This is exercise 5. I'm just gonna count because I have nothing else further to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,